everyone, it's me Priscilla Benjamin. I hope all are doing good and welcome back to my another video. Pasta is something we all enjoy, especially kids. Today I am going to show you easy and delicious pasta recipe with special sauce. So let's get started and check out the recipe.
First, in a pot, pour enough water, add salt and 2 drops of oil so the pasta will not stick each other. Once it starts to boil, add pasta. And cook it till it's 90% done. Once it's cooked, strain it. And pour cool water on top to remove the stickness if any. Let us keep it aside. In a pan, add 1 tablespoon of butter and 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Once it heats up, add chicken. Add 1 teaspoon of pepper powder and salt. Saute till it turns light golden brown in color. Now the color is perfect. Let us keep it aside. In a pan, add olive oil. Once it heats up, add 5 chopped garlic and saute it. Now add half onion and saute. Add carrot and mix it. Now I am adding a special masala for a special taste. Add 1 packet of Maggi Magic Masala and mix it well. Add 2 teaspoons of tomato sauce. Mix it and keep it aside. For sauce, in a pan, add 2 tablespoons of butter and olive oil. Once it heats up, add 3 tablespoons of wheat flour. You can add maida as well. Mix it continuously to remove the raw taste. Now add pepper powder, chili flakes and oregano. mix it. Now add 1 glass of milk and mix it continuously. At this point, flame should be low. Once it's thickened, add cheese and mix it well. Now the thick and creamy white sauce is ready. Now add masala mixture that we prepared earlier. If your sauce is too thick, then you can add little more milk and mix it. Now the special and creamy sauce is ready. Add chicken and boiled pasta and combine well. Make sure the pasta is coated very well in the sauce. Garnish with some cheese and sprinkle chili flakes and oregano on top. There you go, creamy and delicious pasta is ready. Try it, the taste is incredible. See you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye.